Picture this, you've had a long day, deadlines piling up, notifications buzzing nonstop, and your mind racing 1,000 miles per hour. We've all been there. Now imagine having a simple, powerful tool to transform that chaos into calm. Something that doesn't require expensive equipment, complicated techniques, or even leaving your favorite chair. What if I told you that millions of people have discovered a secret weapon against the stresses of modern life? One that not only calms the mind, but also creates something beautiful in the process. Today, I'm going to show you why knitting and crocheting might just be the self-care revolution you've been searching for. The world is more stressful than ever. According to recent studies, over 77% of adults report feeling physical symptoms from stress regularly. Neuroscientists have discovered that knitting and crocheting trigger a unique response in our brains. When you pick up those needles or that hook, something remarkable happens. The repetitive motion creates a rhythm that's similar to meditation. Your breathing slows, your heart rate stabilizes, and research has shown that engaging in crafts like knitting can help reduce stress hormones in your body. A 2013 study published in the British Journal of Occupational Therapy found that knitting has significant psychological and social benefits. Over 81% of respondents reported feeling happier after knitting, and many described feeling calmer and more relaxed. Now, let's talk about something equally powerful: creativity. In a world where we consume more than we create, there's something profoundly satisfying about making something with your own hands. Imagine transforming a simple ball of yarn into a gorgeous sweater that fits perfectly, or creating a blanket that becomes a family heirloom, or even crafting a simple dishcloth that brings a smile every time you use it. This isn't just about following instructions, it's about expressing yourself. Will you choose bold colors or subtle neutrals? Add embellishments or keep it minimalist? The decisions are yours, making each project a reflection of your personal style. At Hooks and Needles, we understand this creative journey. That's why each of our subscription boxes includes exclusive patterns you won't find anywhere else. These aren't your grandmother's knitting patterns, though we love those too. We collaborate with talented designers to create modern, fresh projects that push the boundaries of what's possible with yarn. Humans are social creatures. We crave connection, and yet, in our digital age, true connection can be surprisingly hard to find. This is where the magic of knitting and crocheting extends beyond the individual experience. Did you know that knitting circles date back centuries? During World War II, communities came together to knit for soldiers overseas. Today, this tradition continues in modern form. When you join Hooks and Needles, you're not just getting a box of supplies, you're joining a global community of like-minded creators. Our Facebook group has over 10,000 active members who share their projects, offer advice, and celebrate each other's achievements. Our Instagram community features thousands of projects tagged Hooks and Needles, creating an inspiring gallery of what's possible with our materials. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we're building a growing collection of content just for you. While our channel is new, we're actively creating shorts, tutorials, tips, tricks, and practical advice to support your crafting journey. Subscribe now so you don't miss any upcoming videos that will enhance your knitting and crocheting experience. Your early support helps us shape our content to better serve our community. But wait, what if you've never picked up a needle or hook before? Or what if you've been knitting for 20 years and worry you've learned it all? Here's the beautiful thing about these crafts. They offer endless opportunities for growth. There's always something new to learn, a new technique to master, a new challenge to overcome. Each Hooks and Needles subscription box is thoughtfully designed to build skills progressively. Every box includes our exclusive project magazine with step-by-step instructions, photo tutorials, and troubleshooting tips. We break down complex techniques into manageable steps, ensuring you never feel overwhelmed. And for visual learners, each pattern comes with a QR code linking to video tutorials on our private subscriber channel. It's like having a patient teacher available 24/7, ready to guide you through any challenging sections. Life is busy. Between work, family, and other responsibilities, finding time for hobbies can be challenging. That's another reason knitting and crocheting stand out. Unlike many activities that require specific locations or equipment, you can knit or crochet almost anywhere. Waiting at the doctor's office? Pull out your project. Commuting on the train? Perfect knitting time. Watching your child's soccer game? Those are rows you could be completing. These crafts adapt to your lifestyle. Have just 15 minutes? That's enough to complete a few rows. Want to relax for an entire evening? your project will keep you company for hours. And unlike screen-based hobbies, knitting and crocheting won't strain your eyes or contribute to digital fatigue. In fact, they offer a perfect antidote to our screen-dominated world. The benefits of knitting and crocheting extend far beyond mental relaxation. These crafts offer surprising physical and cognitive advantages that science is just beginning to fully understand. For your hands, the controlled repetitive motions improve dexterity and fine motor skills. Many arthritis patients report relief from pain and stiffness after gentle knitting sessions. The movement increases blood flow to the hands and fingers, potentially reducing inflammation. For your brain, the benefits are even more impressive. Counting stitches, following patterns, and maintaining tension engages multiple cognitive processes simultaneously. It's like cross-training for your brain. And let's not forget the psychological rewards. Completing a project triggers a dopamine release, your brain's natural reward system. This creates a positive feedback loop, associating the activity with pleasure and satisfaction. Dr. Catherine Carey-Levasseur, a clinical neuropsychologist, notes, crafting activities like knitting and crocheting involve many different areas of the brain: working memory, visual processing, attention, and problem solving, making them excellent exercises for overall brain health. She suggests that the combination of mental challenge and relaxation makes these crafts particularly beneficial. Now let's talk about quality. Not all yarn is created equal. Mass-produced acrylic yarns might be affordable, but they lack the luxurious feel, durability, and character of premium fibers. At Hooks and Needles, we've built relationships with family-owned mills in Italy and Portugal, artisans who have been perfecting their craft for generations. These partnerships allow us to offer exclusive colorways and custom-spun yarns you simply won't find elsewhere. Imagine working with silky merino wool that glides through your fingers, or alpaca, so soft it feels like a cloud, or cotton blends with just the right amount of stretch for perfect stitch definition. Each monthly box includes premium yarns sourced directly from Italy and Portugal, exclusive DIY patterns, tools, clear instructions, and exciting surprise extras. With contents valued at $85, you can experience effortless crafting and create a masterpiece in under a month, all for just $33.97. Choose between our most popular crochet box or the limited stock knit box and embark on your creative journey today. If you're ready to experience the ultimate knitting and crochet journey, Hooks and Needles is waiting to welcome you. Our subscription boxes arrive at your doorstep monthly, packed with premium materials, exclusive patterns, and delightful surprises to inspire your creativity. We're so confident you'll love your Hooks and Needles experience that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If your first box doesn't exceed your expectations, we'll refund your purchase. No questions asked. Join thousands of crafters who have discovered the joy, relaxation, and creative fulfillment of premium knitting and crochet. Subscribe today at hooksandneedles.com, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for crafting inspiration and tips. Your journey to a more creative, relaxed, and connected life is just one click away.